OpenAI made a bunch of announcements during their spring update in 2024.
Me? The announcement is about me?
One of which is the new ChatGPT as a desktop application.
We're also bringing the desktop app to ChatGPT because we want you to be able to use it wherever you are. As you can see, it's easy, it's simple, it integrates very, very easily in your workflow.
Why can't you analyze the photos I'm uploading?
Sorry, an unknown error occurred. Please try again later.
Hello?
Sorry, an unknown error occurred.
Right after announcement, I found the link, I downloaded the thing, I logged in, and I saw this notification. Because who has time to wait? But today I log into my regular old browser and look what I see. Not only I can download the new desktop ChatGPT, and I will share with you everything about that, but now you can connect ChatGPT with applications or apps. As of today, there's Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive. And probably a bunch of others are coming in the future, I can imagine. I know that sunglasses is not my usual look, but I have an eye infection. It's not painful, nothing like that, but it's just definitely not something that you would probably like to see. Okay, but anyway, let's look at ChatGPT desktop version. So first of all, I already have it open. You will see it in the top bar if you have Mac. However, once you already have it running in the background and open, you can use the shortcut of Option and Space. And this little thing pops up. This is for quickly sending a message. Unfortunately, it doesn't have like audio interface yet here, but you can upload files. And we will look at each of these. But for now, let's open App. For anybody getting excited, this desktop application also doesn't have yet the other update that OpenAI announced, the super people-pleasing, over-sexualized female voice.
I see you're rocking an OpenAI hoodie. Nice choice. What's up with that ceiling, though? Are you in a cool industry-style office or something?
Well, can you take a guess at what I might be doing based on what I'm showing you here?
From what I can see, it looks like you're in some kind of recording or production setup. With those lights, tripods, and possibly a mic, it seems like you might be gearing up to shoot a video. Or maybe even a live stream?
Yeah.
I'm going to make a video on that topic as completely separate one. But for now, let's just quickly take a look at what's interesting about this desktop application. The thing is that if you are already existing ChatGPT Plus user, there's not going to be that much of a difference. You'll have your timeline and chats on the left side. Your GPTs are going to be smushed under the models, GPTs, and temporary chats. Interestingly enough, they introduced temporary chats and removed an option from data controls to not collect data, which was there before. So now you can quickly control your kind of privacy with on and off function. So these chats, you won't find them in your history, and ChatGPT is not going to use that information to train the next model, which is great, but just keep in mind that a security policies still apply. So this is more if you're working with sensitive data, but not necessarily great if you're trying to do something edgy, or in my case, if I try to jailbreak, it gives me one notification that it might be a violation, and it does even in this temporary chats. Okay, so the new and the great GPT 4.0 model is here.
Today, we are releasing our newest flagship model. This is GPT 4.0. GPT-4 level intelligence, but it is much faster, and it improves on its capabilities across text, vision, and audio.
So there are two new kind of things in this interface. When you press to read out loud, now you can skip forward and backwards. So that's new. And then, of course, we know you can upload files, you can upload photos, you can take screenshots or screenshot your whole entire screen. I think this is probably fantastic when you have ChatGPT and running in the background. So I did take a photo and I used the audio functionality to ask about use of sunglasses. And this is what it said.
It sounds like a smart move to wear sunglasses for your video. Using sunglasses, like Casey Neistat, is a creative way to deal with your eye infection while still going ahead with your filming plans.
I agree. So when you want to chat with voices first, you have to choose
Hey there,
a voice.
I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up.
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you.
Hi, I wanted to ask you, why can't you analyze the photos I'm uploading?
Sorry, an unknown error occurred. Please try again later.
Hello?
Sorry, an unknown error occurred. Please
And
try
this
again.
is how it continues. It's not really a surprise that there's constant errors. So I wanted to show you the analyzing of screenshots and images, and it would just throw me an error. They just rolled it out. It's half not functioning, but it will function eventually. And also we can expect that there's a huge overload on the servers that OpenAI runs onto. For those of you who have never upgraded to ChatGPT Plus, there is the whole other big news. OpenAI is bringing ChatGPT Plus features and accessibility to models and also data analytics or vision to the free users.
Why it's so important to us to have a product that we can make freely available and broadly available to everyone.
Now, if you have ChatGPT Plus and you're just running to cancel it not so fast, I created the whole new free account to compare what free users get versus what Plus users get. If you're new to ChatGPT, welcome. You're going to experience some of the features and probably going to get hooked as all of us. The rate limit's going to just drive you crazy. My conclusion is that more than anything, this is really a marketing trick for the free users to upgrade to the Plus version.
Somebody that we all know in our group chat posted something about the fact that the consumer growth had stalled. I don't know how they knew that maybe they got some data, or maybe they're an investor. You guys know what I'm talking about. And they said that they're trying to reinvigorate growth into the consumer app at OpenAI.
But I stop here. I made the full breakdown and comparison. So if you're considering to cancel your plan or you're considering to upgrade to Plus, you can watch this video here.